Samsung Electronics has announced plans to acquire FläktGroup, a leading provider of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC solutions, for €1.5 billion. This strategic move marks Samsung's expansion into the global HVAC market and strengthens its position in the building technologies sector. Growing demand for sustainable HVAC solutions. The acquisition of FläktGroup comes as demand for sustainable and energy-efficient HVAC solutions continues to grow. FläktGroup's expertise in designing and manufacturing innovative HVAC systems will complement Samsung's existing product portfolio and enhance its offerings in the building technologies market. Benefits of the acquisition. The acquisition is expected to bring several benefits, including expanded product portfolio. Samsung's acquisition of FläktGroup will expand its product offerings in the HVAC market, enabling the company to provide a more comprehensive range of solutions to its customers. Increased market share. The acquisition will strengthen Samsung's position in the global HVAC market, allowing the company to increase its market share and compete more effectively with other industry leaders. Innovative solutions. FläktGroup's expertise in designing and manufacturing innovative HVAC systems will enable Samsung to develop more sustainable and energy-efficient solutions for its customers.